This will fill you up each night. Sausage and eggs will be your fave dinner. Here, I got 5 sausages and I'll start cutting them. Done that, let's set it aside. In a pan, I'll coat it with some butter. With the heat off, I'll add the sausages. In a small dish, we're gonna crack 3 eggs. I'll spice it up with some oregano, salt and pepper. A bit of parsley, chopped up onion, and I'll mix it all in. Nice. Done that, let's pour it over the sausages. Let's fire up and keep it low until the egg sets on the sausages. And folks, once it's at that stage, it's time to flip. Here I switch to a lid and back to the pan. Over the sausages, I'll add some mozzarella slices. And a sprinkling of oregano. You choose how much. Done that, let's cover again and wait for the cheese to melt. And look, our dinner's ready. Super quick, easy, and yummy. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone's gonna love it. A super easy recipe, perfect for dinner. Hope you liked it. That's another recipe from your budget chef. Big hug, catch you next time, and thanks. Catch you next time, and thanks.